Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the chart color in TradingView mobile application. So first of all, you need to open your TradingView app. Then you can tap on the option of chart in the bottom. Now you don't need to open any of the specific charts. You can open any of the charts over here. Now on this particular page, tap on this gear icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then scroll down a bit and then tap on the option of more settings. Now over here, tap on this arrow icon on the top left hand corner so that you could see all of the settings that are available over here. Now tap on the option of canvas, and as you can see, we have the background option available, which is currently white in my case. But since we want to change the color of our chart, you just have to simply tap on this white color or whichever color is available in your case, and then you just have to select your desirable color. For example, let's say I want to make my chart color as yellow. So I'm going to select the yellow color. Now you just have to tap on the option of OK. And now as you can see, the color of the chart is now yellow. And to be honest, it is not looking that good, but you just have to come here and then tap on the option of more settings, then tap on the option of canvas. And after that, you can make changes into the color of your chart. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.